Good morning everybody. It's the roving reporter from Stragglethorpe, and it's a beautiful summer's morning, just a little bit fresh. It's going to be a hot day today, up to 29 degrees centigrade, and I've come down to the spot where I did a little video just over 2 months ago at the beginning of June, where we had a tremendous thunderstorm and I emptied out over 3.5 inches of rain on that Saturday. And that day there was so much water coming into this river, in fact, that it was flowing backwards and it was several feet deep. And this morning I should think it's 1/2 inch deep. You can just see the water going over the sill down there. There is just the smallest trickle. And we're in harvest now. And since that day I took that video of all that rain and this river running backwards, it's barely rained at all, and we've had some tremendously dry weather. We had a little bit of rain last weekend. We had several showers, and we had about 30 millimetres altogether, but it really has made no difference because the land was so dry. There's the next field we'll be going into. There's about 45 acres there of siskin winter wheat, and the one next to it, in fact, is spring oats, but we're going to be a week or two before we get into those because they're looking a little bit dry. And what we've got over here in this field is where we made a start last night. A little bit of excitement yesterday. The combine started smouldering, and on one of the ledges underneath the exhaust, the dust had built up, and fortunately they smelt it and dealt with it quickly enough, and they were clever enough not to blow the cinders out onto the field. But contained it, and there was just some charred bodywork, and then they carried on. Now this field here, you can see we've put the straw into rows, and obviously we're so concerned about livestock farmers throughout the country. This will be baled, and then it will be probably go up north or onto the west country, and if we can help the livestock farmers, so be it. These headlands that we did last night, in fact, this is siskin winter wheat. It's always looked well. And I spoke to the driver when he finished last night, and he said these headlands had yielded a rather pleasing 11 tonnes to the hectare. So all being well, by the end of the day we'll get this field finished, and then we'll get the one next to it done as well, and that'll all be in the shed, incredibly dry, good bushel weight, and I'll be quite pleased. All the best. Bye.